When your kidneys start to fail, they are going to throw at you a number of warning signs. And unless you are wise enough to notice these signs, then the condition is going to deteriorate to a level where it cannot be reversed. So please stay with us until the end of this video to note and understand these warning signs of kidney failure. Now, before that, what are kidneys? Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs that are always found under the rib cage. Each kidney is the size of a fist, as shown in the picture above. These kidneys are involved in a number of functions. They perform a lot of functions in our bodies, which include, but not limited to, maintaining the fluid balance in our bodies, maintaining the electrolyte balance, removing the waste products and toxins in our bodies, maintaining the normal blood pressure, and others. Now, when these kidneys start to fail, when they start to have a problem, they are going to show you signs and symptoms that there is a problem with these kidneys. And these are the ones that we are going to look at. These are the ones we are going to concentrate at in this video. These signs should never be ignored because they can be an indicator of failing kidneys. And the first one is swelling of the extremities. When kidneys start to fail, then they cannot be able to regulate the amount of electrolytes and fluids in our bodies. Meaning, more of the sodium is going to be retained, and sodium is going to attract more water to remain in the body. And this is going to manifest as swelling, which most of the time is going to start with the feet, the ankles, and it rises up. Number two is foamy urine. For men or for even ladies, if you urinate and then your urine forms a lot of foam, like it is of soap, then it could be an indicator that proteins are actually now leaking through the filters of the kidneys into the urine, and that is not a good indicator. The third point is blood in urine. Kidneys are supposed to filter red blood cells from the urine that we pass out. If you ever see blood in urine, then it is an indicator that the kidneys are failing to filter blood from the urine. And it means that they are failing on their functions. The fourth point is muscle cramps. Now, muscle cramps are a result of maybe so many things. But if they become so many, in other words, if you always experience muscle cramps a lot, then it could be a sign that the kidneys are failing to regulate the electrolytes and the minerals in the body. And when they fail, now it is going to come out as muscle cramps every time and then. Another point is extreme dry skin, which is actually itching. Now, this is a sign that your kidneys are failing to remove the excessive toxins and excessive electrolytes in the bodies. And these are going to manifest with the dry skin, which is actually itching. Another point is if there is increased frequency of urination, and mostly at night. Like we have said, the kidneys are supposed to regulate the amount of fluids in our bodies. If they start to fail, then the number of times that you go to urinate are going to increase. This could actually also be a sign when you have a urinary tract infection, what is commonly called a UTI. And lastly is hypertension or increasing blood pressure. When your kidneys are no longer unable to remove excess fluids in the body, then these are going to in turn increase your blood pressure levels. So if you always go for checkup and they tell you blood pressure is actually increasing, every time and then it would actually signal that your kidneys are failing to regulate the amount of fluids in the body. So please, if you have enjoyed this video, do not leave before subscribing to our channel so that you always do not miss any of the videos that we always upload up there. Leave a comment and share with the friends for this wonderful information. Thank you. We meet in the next video.